Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2003 Honda Goldwing with 78,728 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, multifunction 2-speaker audio system, reverse, and a CB radio. It's been upgraded with a motor TRIKE kit, luggage rack, wind deflectors, rear bumper, and shift levers. The Goldwing is the industry benchmark of the metric touring class thanks to its premium comfort and dynamic performance. Powered by an 1832cc 6-cylinder engine, the Goldwing puts 118 horsepower and 123 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. In stock form, it weighs in at 800 pounds and has a 29.1-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.